Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Rakuten Advertising partner account for USA offers, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure your Rakuten Advertising partner account for USA offers, start by logging into your Rakuten Advertising account. Navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Accounts section in the main menu. Click on Account Settings. In the Account Settings, locate the Payment Information tab. Enter your preferred payment method securely. Ensure all payment details, including tax information, are accurate. Next, return to the dashboard. Click on the Offers section. Here, you will see a list of available offers. Filter the offers by selecting USA in the Location drop-down menu. Choose the offers that align with your niche and target audience. Click on the offer title to access more details. Review the offer's terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, click the Join button or equivalent option. Next, go back to the dashboard. Access the Links section. Create custom tracking links for your selected offers. In the link creation page, input your website URL or social media account. Generate the tracking link and copy it for future use. Return to your account dashboard. Set up any necessary promotional materials, such as banners. Navigate to the Creative section. Select the banners and creatives that fit the USA offers you've chosen. Review and download these assets. After securing your creatives, return to your dashboard. Create content that promotes the selected offers effectively. Use your tracking links in all your promotional content. Monitor your performance through the reporting tools provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.